This is an Asiatic lily, and I chose to show you this flower because it is a great representation of a flower that is in its reproductive stages. You can see the beautiful colored petals, and the petals attract birds and insects to the flower to assist in reproduction. I also chose this flower because if you look very carefully, you can see the reproductive parts very clearly. You can see the style, you can see the stamen, the pistil, and the filament, and the anther. We are going to break apart this flower, and I am going to show you how reproduction works. Here we're looking at the petals. And the petals play an important part in plant reproduction. A plant contains both male and female parts. However, they are not connected. They don't touch each other. So the petals serve as a way to get the plant to pollinate. They attract the birds and the bees and other insects to help in the process of pollination. Now, the Asiatic lily not only has beautiful leaves that attract birds and bees, but it also has an interesting texture. Now, if I pick up this leaf and I'm looking at these spots, these aren't just colorful spots. These spots have a rough texture on them that appeal to some insects. Here we are looking at the reproductive part of a plant with the petals removed. I removed the petals so you could really get a flower. The pistil, or the female part of the flower, contains the stigma, the style, and the ovary, and that is that tall centerpiece that is sticking up. The male part of the flower is called the stamen, and it contains the anther and the filament. The filament is the stem that leads up to the red tip, and that red tip is called the anther. And the anther is where the pollen is produced.